Today we're going to take a look at 1206E Tiffany Lane in Sterling Village. This is a great first floor, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath condo right in the heart of Myrtle Beach. It's close to the beach, close to shopping, restaurants, market common, everything you want. The unit's also really close to the swimming pool. Unfortunately, the pool is closed right now, but it's getting ready to open back up. Nice little gazebo here. This is a really neat area, really neat neighborhood. The condo building itself has hardy plank siding. This is the main entrance into the building, but this one has its own separate patio entrance, and we're going to go in here. I love the way the shrubbery kind of shields this little patio area back here. Some nice chairs, storm door. But let's take a look inside. And this is great. It's being sold fully furnished. Lots of upgrades. I love the wainscoting. I love the ceilings. I love all the windows. It's nice and open, bright, airy, lots of natural light. It's a fireplace. Little dining area. This is super cute. Everything's really clean. Everything's in really great shape. This is a guest room. Looks like a king-size bed here. Plenty of space. Lots of windows. Matter of fact, I had to keep some of the blinds shut so it wouldn't wash out my video. Little bar top. This is our pass to the state park, which is right down the road, a mile of undeveloped beach. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. I love the backsplash. Refrigerator, big pantry. Really nice. Stacked washer and dryers. These are full-size washer and dryer, but they're stacked. Lots of storage. Wainscoting is great. There's a linen closet here. Here's the full bath. Nice tile, nice vanity, tub shower combo. There's me. Hi. And then huge master bedroom here. Big windows. Furniture's great. 2 closets. So I need to step over here to the corner and kind of pan around the bedroom. And then there's a pocket door, which leads into a half bath here in the master. So we're in Sterling Village, 1206E Tiffany Lane in Myrtle Beach. This is a great 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, fully furnished condo for only $149. It is the least expensive 2-bedroom condo inside the city limits of Myrtle Beach. It's currently for sale. For more information, give me a call. My name's Jay with Century 21 Boling. My number is 843-222-9135. All my contact information is right below here in the YouTube comment section. Let me know what I can do to help you find the perfect place at the beach.